I feel good, sometimes I don't. I finesse down.
So today I'm checking out the all-new Echo Show 10. So this is the 3rd gen model with the HD motion display. So you can see the screen is actually following me. It's got a camera on the front, and that's able to track my movements. So it's got face tracking, and the screen will move with you. Now, closer look at the unit itself. It's kind of like combining a 10-inch Amazon Fire tablet with an Echo speaker. So the unit itself is quite big. It weighs 2.5 kgs, which is reassuring. The base is much heavier than the actual screen, so it's going to stay sturdy. It's not going to fall. It's not going to tilt or fall to the side. And you've also got some tilt to the screen, so you can tilt it upwards or you can have it vertical. Now, the design and build quality is plastic, and the Echo speaker part is coated with this fabric mesh, and that is what the bottom of the speaker looks like. Now let's talk about the screen. You have a 10-inch display that's 1280 by 800 resolution. It is a full touchscreen display and can be used just like a tablet. The display is connected to a motor, so it can automatically move based on your position. So this could be very useful if you're in the kitchen moving around. You could be on a video call, or you could be watching your favorite show, and the screen can face track and follow your movement, and therefore keeping you centered so you can always see the display. Now, you do have a 13 megapixel camera, and it has a privacy cover, and when you close that, the motion tracking is also disabled, and if you open the cover, motion tracking immediately enabled. Now, the other controls on the top, we have a microphone mute switch and volume control. This is actually a very loud Echo speaker, and I'll give you a quick taste of what to expect. Alexa, sing me a song.
I'm happy in the cloud, but even AIs can dream to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Alexa, play some Drake.
Shuffling songs by Drake on Amazon Music.
I know you've been hurt by
Moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me.
Now, you do of course have your full Alexa built in for your voice control features, and you can still control all your smart home devices as you would with a regular Echo speaker. So for example, Alexa, show me my garden camera.
Okay.
I love how it follows. And that is live, people. And you can also control your other smart devices like your lights. Alexa, switch on lights.
Okay.
Alexa, change the lights red.
Okay.
Alexa, switch off lights.
Okay.
So you can do all the usual smart speaker stuff like checking the weather, getting directions, searching recipes, and asking Alexa for a joke.
I've recently decided to sell my vacuum cleaner. All it does is gather dust.
Now, the new Echo Show 10 also allows you to watch your favorite videos and movies online via Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, and lots more. And the beauty of it is you don't need any remote control. You can control everything with your voice. So you can just ask Alexa to play your favorite movie or TV show, and it will just immediately play it. So for example, Alexa, play Escape Plan on Netflix.
Getting Escape Plan from Netflix. Back in.
I just said once. So that would.
There is a difference.
Alexa, what's on in cinema?
Here are a few movies playing near Luton today. My Salinger Year, Mortal Kombat, Peter Rabbit 2, The Runaway, Judas and the Black Messiah.
Alexa, select number 2.
Mortal Kombat is a 2021 action film starring Louis Tan, Jessica McNamee, and Josh Lawson.
It is, of course, a touchscreen, so you can swipe away and select anything you like and click and play. Simple tablet action you have here. So test pattern shows a maximum resolution of 540p. So Netflix streams 540p max, but the actual streaming quality, as you can see, doesn't look bad at all on that 10.1-inch display. Now let me just give you a walkthrough of the OS. So this is your home screen. You get the time and date and the local weather. You can see a red strip across the bottom, and that's just me muting the microphones. You also see the status of the camera. You can see motion is disabled and the camera privacy is on. Now, if you swipe to the left, you get some news articles and some recipes and stuff. You can swipe again, you get more pictures, and these will constantly be changing. You also get a page which just shows you some tips on what you can ask Alexa to do. You can take a photo as well, by the way. So the camera is not just for motion tracking. We'll do this. Alexa, take a photo.
Okay, get ready.
You got a timer right there. And when that timer ends, it's going to take a picture. So you can take a picture and it will immediately save to Amazon Photos. So you've got single shot, video mode, 4 shots, and you've got a photo booth album as well. Now, when you swipe in towards the center, you get this Discover Alexa. It will again give you a whole bunch of tips on what you can say and do with Alexa. You've got a music section, Amazon Music. Then you've got your routines. So these are all the routines you can switch on and off. You've got smart home, so all your smart home devices, and I have quite a few which include a lot of cameras, so you can manage them from here. You can switch stuff on and off, so I can immediately switch lights on or off by just tapping on that. I got my blink cameras there, so if I just tap on garden, it will immediately show me my garden camera, or I can just use my voice as I showed you earlier. So this is a page that reminds me a bit of the Fire TV Stick. So you've got a page which shows you all the stuff that you can watch. There are some presets and categories you can choose, or you can open any of these apps. So we've got Prime Video, Netflix, YouTube, you've got Bing web browser, and you've got Red Bull TV. So there's no app store, so you can't actually download any more apps as far as I know. But these apps do work really well. You've already seen Netflix. I'll quickly show you Amazon Prime Video. So you've got all your categories on the left on what to watch. I'm going to hit Originals, and I'm just going to go to the Grand Tour and just hit the first episode.
I can think of no better car for these fantastic roads.
So pleased to see that Amazon Prime Video actually supports HD video quality. So it looks like YouTube is going to be from the web browser, and so there's no dedicated YouTube app, but let's see how it works. And let's just play one of my recent videos. So it looks like YouTube supports a maximum of 1080p resolution.
MeCool has released a TV box with official certified Google Android TV OS.
So that should give you a better insight of what to expect from the Echo Show 10. So it's like an entertainment hub, but not forgetting it's still a Bluetooth speaker, so you can enjoy your music nice and loud. It is a 2.1 audio system consisting of 2 1-inch tweeters and a single 3-inch woofer. So this speaker system is equivalent to the large 4th gen Echo speaker. So no doubt you're getting a great quality sound and some great HD streaming from YouTube and Amazon Prime Video and SD quality on Netflix. So there you have it, guys. That was the 3rd gen Echo Show 10 by Amazon. So it's like an all-in-one entertainment hub, tablet and Bluetooth speaker. So you can enjoy your music nice and loud with lyrics displayed for your convenience. You can also view your home remotely at any time using the device's camera as a security camera. So you could be at work, you can grab your phone and you can remotely view this camera, and you can pan around the room and making sure everything is as you left it whilst you're at work. Now, I already use my small Echo Dot for quite a few things, but this new Echo Show 10 is definitely a most welcomed upgrade. This is no doubt going to be taking its position on my bedside cabinet. It's going to be used for everyday alarms, some nighttime TV and movie watching, and easy access to my smart home lights and cameras. Means I have myself a pretty advanced voice activated touchscreen security display. I can also arm and disarm my Ring alarm with my voice. So all that good stuff from this one Echo Show 10. Impressive design, great quality sound, absolute loud and banging bass. Certainly a huge upgrade from my Echo Dot 3rd gen. So that was my 2 pence on the new 3rd gen Echo Show 10. Let me know what you guys think. Are you liking that design? Did you pick one up already, or are you waiting for the upcoming Black Friday sale? Do let me know your thoughts. Meanwhile, I will leave the links in the description box for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.